Hello, in this video I want to show you how to block programs based on age on Samsung Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the home button on your remote, move to the left and scroll down to the settings, then select all settings. Inside we'll be able to find general and privacy. Right here we can enter system manager, or actually pardon me, parental controls. And then select program rating lock. It may ask you for the PIN, so enter it. After that, you can either allow all of the programs or set a certain age that will be available for the programs. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.